Hey bestie boost. Whoa, that bit of hair is really long. I am in my car right now because she needs a clean. Now, me and Riley washed my car the other day. We'll roll that clip of the outside of the car. Alright, I need to clean the inside. I have a plastic bag. This is for me to put all of my empty bottles in, so that way I can cash them and get some money. But my car, it's not good. Like, it's really not. The back seat is like a dressing room. There's clothes. There's bags. There is rubbish in here, actually. There's McDonald's rubbish. Yeah, no. She needs a clean out really bad. I also need to, like, organize my car. But I don't know if that'll happen in this video, or if I'll do a separate video of me organizing my car. But yeah, we're gonna clean. I don't know how I'm gonna film this, but we'll figure it out. Okay, so I've officially cleaned out all of my car. So it's that boys has to clean. I mean, she actually is a bit dirty at the moment. I just have to take my shoes inside. They're in my car. But yeah, she's clean. Okay, so I didn't have time to like organize my car, and I also didn't vacuum it because I've lost an earring back in my car. So I need to like search for that, see if I can find it. I couldn't find it when I cleaned my car out, so I need to do like a deeper search before I vacuum it, because I really don't want to vacuum up this earring back, because these earrings are very important to me. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed me cleaning my car. If you want any more car related videos, like, or what's in my car, etc. kind of stuff, let me know. Yeah, also you can judge me for how dirty my car was in the comments. It was really bad, okay? It was really bad. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for 400 subscribers, and bye besties. Mwah.